Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. Happy New Year everyone! Kasi we're cooking litson. See you. It's turning around the lechon. See? Cannot see properly. Oh, cannot see. There is shadow with the see, it's inside the oven. That's our for New Year. Cannot see properly. There is shadow. See, very dark. That was shadow. It's inside the oven. The lechon. We're cooking lechon.
Hurry up! Bilisan mo na!
Huwag ka maingay. Why so ingay? At kulit mo.
Ang kulit ako.
Kulit ako.